Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually earn money online, completing surveys, watching videos, and also playing games. Like, these are simple things you can actually do, and you can earn money from all these things for free. Like, you don't have to pay anything before registering. So all you have to do right now is just watch this video from the beginning to the end, as I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do all this. And in case if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Bukaste Skills, and in this particular channel I teach you how you can actually make money online, and also how you can actually learn digital marketing, and also businesses you can actually start. So if these are the things you like, all you have to do is just to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you can get notified anytime I post new videos, and also make sure you like my videos. Okay, so like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification button. So with that said guys, let's get started. So the particular platform I'm going to use right now is called grabpoints. So what you do on grabpoints is just to complete surveys, play games, and also take some simple tasks, and you earn money from doing all these things. Like, it's very simple. Okay, so all you have to do is just to click the link on the comment section on the description of this video. If you go to the comment section, you're going to see the link. So click that link, it will direct you to this page. Okay, so make sure you use that link so that you can actually get free 500 points. Okay, so if you use the link on the comment section, you're going to get free 500 points, which is equivalent to $1. So all you have to do is just to come over here at email and then register, because you have to create an account. Okay, so just type in your email. Let me use, already have an account, but I'm just showing you an example. So just click is my email, and then you can type in a password of your choice. Okay, so make sure your password is secure. Okay, so this is it. After typing the password, and then you click create account. But I have an account already, so I don't want to create a new one. So all I do right now is to move to my account. Okay, so let me just go back to my own personal account. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Instead of creating a new account, let me just move straight to my old account. So this is it. So as you can see, the thing is just loading. So this is my main account, so let's just wait for some time. So don't forget guys, in case if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, because I'm going to be posting more videos every single week on how to make more money online. Okay, so this is it guys. So these are the offers. For first one is the survey. As you can see, there are so many survey right here. If you complete this particular survey, you are going to get $0.14. If you click this one, it will give you $0.01. So there are many of them. So if in case if you need more, just click view all surveys, and it will show you many surveys as soon as possible. So make sure that you are clicking each of them every single day. The more you click, if you are willing to complete the surveys, text surveys, and you get paid. All right, now the second one is offers. So in these offers, all you have to do is just to play games. Okay, like for this one, if you play game, you get $0.05, which is very small, and this one is $0.44, which is something, and this one is actually $2.36, which is actually something for me. And if you play this one, you're going to get $22.50. Guys, just look at it, $22.50. Actually, this is something. So let's scroll down again. This one is the offer wars. This offer wars is more like watching videos, but it is not available for all countries. Okay, if you're living in UK, Canada, US, you can actually use this one, but if you're in other countries, I'm sorry, you can't use this. Okay, so this one is survey partners. This one is actually for BP companies. If you are qualified, you can actually take these ones called survey partners. Okay, so that is just it. That is just it. But I will recommend you guys to use this one, although these ones are very difficult. These featured offers, they are very difficult, but you can actually earn money from it. Okay, all you have to do is just to take your time. So in case if you're interested in any of them, just click. Okay, for example, if I click this one, it will direct me to where I have to play games, stuff like that, which I may not have time to do all these things, but already I've tried one of them which has like 2 point something dollar, and I actually did it, and I made my withdrawal. So that's just it guys. So these are surveys as well. In case if you're qualified, just click any of these surveys. Okay, let me just click this one for example. If I click it, then you have to prove that you are actually qualified, because it's going to ask you some questions. Okay, so that's just it. As you can see, we are looking for surveys for you, so just wait for some time. There are some questions they are going to ask you, um, so all you have to just wait for some time. As you can see, they say how much total combined annual income do you or your members of your household earn before taxes. And you need to be sincere with this question. So I actually don't have anything like members of my household before paying taxes. I don't know all this information. So in case if you know any of them, just click here and then click this black icon right here. So that's just how to do all of them. Okay, so that is how you can actually earn through survey. So click the survey, make sure you complete their task, and then if you are qualified, you earn from it. The next one is these games. Let me just click one of these games. If I click it, then you have to play a particular game. So let me just click this one. The first one over there, as you can see, it earns $0.05. These are the instructions. So make sure you follow the instruction. As you can see, the first thing to do is just to download the game using the email. So this one is available for iOS alone, not Android, and I only have Android. I don't use iOS. So if you have iOS, you can actually use this one. So make sure you follow the instructions very carefully. Okay, so if you are having iOS, just click get download link on email. So make sure you do that. So this is actually how you can actually earn. So in case if you want to draw, just click this 500 because I have 500 coins as my balance. So just click it so that you can see your balance. So let me just wait for some time. Okay, so this is just it. In case if you want to make your withdrawal, this is how you can actually do it. So after that, the next thing is to click menu. You can actually go back and see some of your surveys, your inbox, your setting. This is where you can actually set everything. Okay, under your menu. So let me just scroll down. Remove this. So yeah, as you can see, this is it. In case if you want to make your withdrawal, all you have to do is just to click this PayPal account. So just like I said, you need a PayPal account, and you can actually draw from $1 to $100. All right. So that's just it. So don't forget to go to the comment section and click the link so that you can actually earn free 500 as your bonus registration. Okay. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.